Nicholas, here's what I'm doing on this threshold. You can see the crack there. It goes down probably a foot. So what I'm doing is drilling a hole with the drill bit straight through, and then I'm going to put some dowel in there with wood glue, and I'll just pry this open a bit so I can get glue with my little dental tool here all the way down in it. Then I put a screw in the baseboard. It's a 3-inch screw, and I can cover that up with some silicone when I'm done. And with that, I'm able to use this clamp to clamp that when it's all glued and hold it in place. And I'll probably put 1, 2, 3, 4, a bunch of dowels in there, and then I'll color it up with some crayon. We'll see what it looks like when we're done. So over here at the plumbing, maybe I'll put this on a YouTube video. Here I got a cracked threshold, which if you buy the whole piece and put it in, it's a fair bit of work. So I came up with a solution here to put dowels in it with wood glue, and I pried the crack open as far as I comfortably could and used a little dental type of pick to wiggle the glue in there as I just spread the wood glue down on there. Have a damp cloth close by, and wood glue easily cleans up. And so what I'm doing here now is I'm taking this dowel and a drill bit that fits it, and I push it in. I drilled this far past the crack, and so I push the dowel in, and then as far as I can, and then I pull it out and take my little edger tool there and cut it off a little bit shorter than where my fingernail marks it. Put some glue all around the end of it, pound it in with a hammer, and there you can see. And when I'm done, I'm going to put some of this color crayon on there, and we'll have a look and see how it all looks. So what I did here is I drilled a screw in the bottom plate of this pony wall. You can see the nice place. And that's so I can clamp on there and pull this whole thing in. And later on I'll just fill that hole. I got my little damp cloth here. Wipe up the glue. Wood glue wipes up easy. These guys are all pounded in smooth, and oops, can't even see what I'm doing there. Rookie cameraman here. Clean up the glue. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some crayon on it.